What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Well, I haven't uploaded in a couple of days, so we have got a new type of collection again. We've got a big collection of them. So this is gonna be not a system test, but it is gonna show you what I have got now. But shall we get all those old ones? Yeah, gonna find all my old smoke detectors and alarms. Ooh, they're down here somewhere. In my blankets. In my bed. And in my blankets. Listen. Now, have we done that, guys? One. That little one. That I hate. Now this one. That I also hate. Do I have that somewhere? We've got what is that? That only goes from the iPhone. There's so many in here. Oh, that's good. There. Oh, no. This is what my collection looked like at first. Not right now. So anyway, guys, here we have my whole smoke alarms collection. Look at the now. So first off, we have the Apollo Sirius 65 optical smoke detector, and that is so there it is up there, and yeah. So next off, we have an Apollo Sirius 65 heat detector. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that one. It's on the wall there. Here we have my Fire Angel smoke detector, and something happened to me yesterday. I went to the fire station, and they gave me the fireman gave me a box of smoke alarms that are all along there. So yeah, Fire Angel smoke detector, which the fire station gave to me. So we have a lot more smoke alarms here. Here we have a Kidder smoke alarm with a base. This one, I don't know if it works anymore. It doesn't sound like it works. Yeah, so that don't work. We have another smoke alarm. This one's dumb. Done for. Yeah, so it doesn't work. It's lost all the pieces. And it don't work. Here we have a squared smoke alarm, which is very weird. This can go into the collection. I'll put them all in this box because all the broken ones can go in that box. And then we have another squared smoke alarm. I'll show you the one on the landing. This one. And this one. So we have 2 other Fire Angel smoke detectors. So let's show you this. Wait till it flashes, which will take forever. You've got 2 of them there, then you've got another one that... Then you've got so many over here, them over there as well. There's a lot of here. There's a lot of them here. So let me go and show you the landing one, and you know. So here we have the smart detector on the landing. I know it seems a little bit weird me whispering, but there's one there. Yeah. So we have a new one on the upstairs. Like I said, this is just going to be not a system test, but so we have a new one on the loft stairs. It's not where it used to be, where the old one used to be, but it is somewhere. So it's here, and there's this. As you can see on this one, it's got an LED light. It's got a light bulb in it, so it's one that you press the button, it turns on the lights as well. So yeah. And then up here in the loft, we have the same one as the one on the landing. It's just they're very old, and they are old. So yeah. So this is Smoke Alarms episode 4, my smoke alarm collection, and the ones in the house. Yeah, so guys, hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, please comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. As soon as we get into the bedroom. So, oh, and we also have 2 more over here. Yeah, so I never told you about them. Them are some new ones. We have got quite a few smoke detectors here. So, yeah. So the next part of this video is going to be the car. We're going to do the remote control car videos again. Then hopefully you'll like them more often. Hopefully you'll like them. So let's get my tripod ready. Oh, we haven't got much room in here, by the way. Yeah, so... Yeah, so guys, yeah, you're going to enjoy this part because this is the bestest part of the video. Right, so I'm going to get the car. I'm sorry if I'm blocking it, but it's just how bad the... Introducing Revelax, the latest cosmetic dermal filler range to hit the UK. Yeah, my girls. Oh. Giving a look of definition and volume to the skin. Popular for creating amazing ready. Yep. Wait, I need a GoPro, seriously. I need a GoPro. I actually do need a GoPro. Yeah. Open up door. Hang on, let's focus it up a little bit. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold it like that. Ugh! Then you can actually see what the car's going to do when it goes out there. Let's get it ready. You ready? There it goes into the back. Oh. Yeah, I only needed my hand for that. Yeah, here we go. Whee. Okay, I'm gonna go and get the car. I'll be back in a sec, y'all. Back, guys. Anyway, come on. Here we go. Oh, for God's sake. Good. Now. Oh! That was too... Yeah. I wonder what's up with the tyre. Whoa, what the fuck? What's going on with that? Flap. You know, it would help if I had a new tripod. It would actually help. Let's go down to the landing and, you know. Oh. This is gonna be more crazy than the last video.